Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this mackerel recheado fry fish. Recheado mackerels are a Goan seafood delight. Crispy pan-fried mackerel fish stuffed with the Goan spice paste is much loved by every Goan. Mackerel is known as bangdo in Konkani in Goa. Recheado masala is spicy, sour and slightly sweet. It is mostly used as a stuffing for fishes like mackerel, pomfret and even squids. This recipe is very simple and easy, and I'm going to show you step by step how to make this recipe. So now let's begin. So first take 3 large mackerel fish, cut and clean. Make sure to cut the fish right in the center on the bone, on both the sides of the fish, something like this, to feel the recheado masala in the center of the fish. Make sure it is done something like this. Do it very slowly if you are new. Then apply some salt on the fish, even in the center of the fish. Then slightly rub the fish as shown. Then allow it to rest for half an hour. Then to make the recheado masala, add oil in a hot pan, add 2 sliced onion, then fry this until nice and brown, something like this. Then remove this in a separate bowl. Then take a mixer jar, add 9 KASHMIRI dry red chilies, then add the previously made fried onion, add 5 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger, 1.5 teaspoon cumin seeds, 11 cloves, 1.5-inch cinnamon stick, 14 black peppercorns, 1 cm round tamarind, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, and some salt to taste. Add 4 tablespoons Goan vinegar, 3 tablespoons water, and then blend this to a paste. The masala is ready now. Make sure it must be like this, nice and thick. Then take the fish and fill the masala in the fish. Be generous while filling the masala. So do it as it is shown. Make sure to fill all the way through, even inside, right through in. Do it something like this. Then simply coat the fish with semolina or rava. And then the fish is ready to fry. Then in a hot pan add oil. Then simply fry the fish until it is crispy and golden brown. Make sure the flame is on medium and not too high. Then turn the fish around and fry it on the other side. So the Goan mackerel recheado fish is ready now. I hope you like this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Also do comment and let me know any of your suggestions. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.